Hi, Phil here with the 2013 Subaru Impreza sedan. We have this in today to upgrade the low beam and the high beam DRL locations to our new SL1 LED headlight bulb for improved visibility and a more modern appearance. Installation's plug and play and should take you about 25 minutes total. Let's go ahead and get started. To make accessing the passenger side bulbs a little bit easier, which is where we're going to work, we're going to want to remove the air snorkel connected to the intake. Simply take a wedge tool or something similar, get in here and get these pop rivets up. And then we'll slide the snorkel out and go ahead and set it aside. With the snorkel out of the way, we're going to start our installation with the low beam bulb in the back side here. Go ahead and grab a hold of that bulb and rotate it counterclockwise and then pull it straight out of the housing. Once there, you can depress the clip on the back side of the bulb to release the bulb from the socket. And then go ahead and connect your SL1 as well. These bulbs are polar sensitive, so you'll want to go ahead and test before returning to the housing. If it doesn't light up the first time, simply unplug it, rotate that 180 degrees, and plug it back into the socket. You can now tuck your driver out of the way and return the bulb to the housing. Make sure the bulb is flush, rotate clockwise to lock into place. Now we'll do the high beam DRL. For this guy, you'll want to disconnect the connector first since it gets a little tight whenever you start to rotate it around. Simply depress the clip on the bottom and pull that guy out. Again, rotating the bulb counterclockwise, pull it straight on out. And then make sure you line up the tabs with the housing. Seat the bulb flush and then lock into place. Again, test your connection, but plug it on in. And then tuck your driver up out of the way. Repeat the process on the other side. Replace your air snorkel to complete your installation. With your wiring secured and your installation complete, you'll have increased visibility and a more modern appearance thanks to your SL1 LED headlight bulbs. For more information on these products, visit us at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.